Hello, welcome. Yeah, we're out of quarantine now, which is good. And I'm in my really messy apartment. I've been here for maybe like 2 weeks now, maybe 3 weeks. Just want to show you around. I'm going to go out for a walk in a bit. But this is really messy in here, so I'm trying not to get all my laundry. I've got my laundry down there on the right. I'll try not to film that for a little kitchen. Inside the living room, it's like a little studio thing, but it's got its own separate bathroom and that. This thing here is for drying our clothes. Like I said, it's really messy in here. Both those suitcases are empty, but we haven't put them away yet. I'll just show you around quick. Hello. Nice little bathroom. Shower's really nice. It's got a heater on it, but I normally have cold showers anyway because I'm so bloody hot over here. Lovely bedroom. We haven't got a proper blanket yet, so we're using 2 separate blankets. But it seems to work all right. Nice little, so could you call that a walk-in wardrobe? Technically you could walk in there. It's kind of, I suppose that's like a built-in wardrobe, isn't it? And one of the coolest things, actually the other cool thing I'll show you after, but this is like a sliding door. So you can actually lay in bed and watch the TV like that. Thought that was pretty cool. Got a Buddha stuff up there, which Gibbs sorted out. But this is the coolest thing, which I haven't actually used yet. Might use it today, actually. Look at the size of this pool. Oh, look at that. Get some proper laps on that. Really nice area, this, actually. It's, should I tell you where it is? I'm not going to tell you where it is. It's near Rama 9 MRT station, and then from there it's 2 stops to get to a sock, so it's quite central. Yeah, this costs £245 a month, which is really good compared to where I live in England. That's incredibly cheap. I put it down in US dollars as well in case you're interested to find out how much this costs, but compared to our last apartment, this is actually really large. It's quite big. It feels so strange talking to a camera. All right, let's go outside. Feels so good to be walking about in Bangkok. Apart from this, I normally don't complain about the mask stuff, but when you're in this heat, it is so hard to breathe with one of these masks on. As well as the fact I'm quite unhealthy, so I struggle to breathe anyway. I'm just so happy to be out. As you can see, our apartment's kind of on. It looks really interesting down here, actually. I'll show you down here. That looks cool to me. I don't know why. So yeah, our apartment's on quite a busy road, and Gib wakes up early to travel to her office in the morning. She's having a really hard time because the traffic down here in the morning is just mental. So it might actually be moving again, but I really like it around here. So I think we're going to go down to the Rama 9 MRT, and we're going to go down to Sukhumvit, see if we can find some nice street food or something. Motorbikes are so loud here. So cool though. Look at that old BMW. Is that an E28? Might be an E28. Oh, that's lovely, that. I've seen better days, but I'd still take that over any modern car. See the back end. Oh mate, that's beautiful. I'm glad I bumped into that. I always get nervous when we're going into these train stations and that, because you have to do temperature check every time you go in. And yeah, I'm just always boiling. I'm always hot. I have the aircon on 24/7 when I'm at home. And as soon as I step outside, I'm sweating. I know my body temperature must be really hot. So every time I go to do it, God knows what happens when you fail it. I think I've heard somewhere they just say we you're refused entry to the train. But whether they get the police involved or something, I've got no idea. I don't really want to be going back to another quarantine hotel. Oh, right, here we go. This is Rama 9, MRT. There we go, it's a temperature check thing there. Oh, I'm always so scared of this. So this should be alright. I assume it's good. Right, let's go stick with it. So you might have noticed, I don't know if it's very obvious, because it always looks bad, but I've just had a little haircut. It cost me 300 baht. It's actually quite expensive in Thailand. But I just needed a haircut, man. My hair, I haven't cut my hair for like a year, so it's getting very long. I normally go for like a shave on the side, but I'm about to come to Soy Cowboy actually. I don't think I can be recording down there. I'm going to try it. It's quite early, so maybe it's okay. A lot of the girls, the working girls, they don't like to be recorded, which is, you know, fair enough. Yeah, fuck it, we're gonna go down. I'll keep the camera on me, so you're gonna be able to see it from the background. I feel really rude just sticking a camera in like people's faces, especially when they're working. Might not want to be on camera, if you know what I mean. Everything's closed anyway. Look, here we go. Everything's closed at the moment. So we're now going to go find some nice food. Go get some street food. There's food here actually. Doesn't look too appetising, that. Don't know what that is. Oh, how's Blue Boy? That's always good. That stuff there. Welcome cab. Yeah, all of these normally, if you come down here at night, loads of birds down here, all trying to get your attention. But I'm not a single man, so I don't normally come down here. I actually hate going to places like this. I prefer a bar where you're just left to your own accord. I just want to have a beer. I don't like to sit down somewhere and they're just constantly like, oh, can you buy me a beer, buy me a beer. So I can't afford it, and two, that's just not what I'm looking for. Right, let's go get some food. This has got to be one of the hardest roads to cross. Oh, here we go. As soon as I turn the camera on, the light goes. This is one of the hardest roads to cross in London, in Bangkok. They're surprisingly stopped right now. It's quite interesting. Normally they do not stop. You try and cross the road, the lights in your favour, and they just don't stop for it. Oh look, there's a Mustang there. Very nice. Oh, wait for it to go. Oh, he's going to let me go. Thank you. Oh, see? There are nice drivers in Bangkok. So the cab, hello, you alright? Get some food. Oh, there's some good stuff here. Swaddy cup, Tolai cup, me. 50 baht. 50, okay, cup. Me, some of that. Thank you. Okay, so we've got some fried chicken by the looks of it. Pretty good. Got some fish over here as well. Lovely, thank you. ไม่เป็นไร50 10 baht ไม่เป็นไรครับฟันดีครับ Right, so we got some fried chicken by the looks of it. Did you see the spice he was putting on that? Oh my god, so much spice. Hello. Right, let's give some of this a go. Put the camera down. I've got some chicken. Yeah, I'll sit down here, thank you. It's in a bar at the moment. Right, so what have we got?
Ooh, it smells really nice actually. Oh my god. That is way too much. Look at the spice on that. I think that's all chili. I can see a bone in there as well. Oh, let's try some of this. I'm going to make a right mess here. Oh, sorry. There we go. This looks really good. It is really good. I think it's pork rib. Maybe pork rib. Not spicy. I thought it was going to be really spicy. So this cost me 50 baht for a big bag of pork something. Pretty sure it's rib. Does that look like rib? Want some meat? Oh, lovely. Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
That's for the bin.
Yeah.
You got me a plate. Oh, look at that. That's a service. Wow. Do you want some?
No, I eat already.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I won't be able to eat all of that.
I did.
Let's go for this big one. Quite chewy. Very chewy. I think I got a bit of skin there. Flavours like, I'm so sorry, mate. Sorry, I ain't got nothing. Kato cup. Sorry, I'm from Miami, but Miami. Kato, do you want some chicken? Oh, back on that cup. You go. There you go, mate. Just gave some homeless bloke some chicken. But I won't film him. It's a bit degrading. I've got no money, honestly. I'm so skint at the moment. Oh. It's very good. So I guess this will be the end of the video. I don't know if it's going to be a good video. What I do, I went on a train. I got a haircut. Not a very good one, mind you. And then I got some chicken. I could have done that in England. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.